Dear ladies and gentlemen, on September 5, 2020, the property rights of Gurban Mammadov, a lawyer, a well-known human rights defender, a popular leader of Azerbaijani opposition, the host of the AzerFreedom TV channel on YouTube, who consistently fought against the regime, were brutally violated. The right to protection of property, provided for in Articles 13 and 29 of the Constitution of the Republic of Azerbaijan, as well as in Article 1 of the Additional Protocol to the European Convention for the Protection of Human Rights and Fundamental Freedoms, has been violated. In front of the public and the media, the property belonging to Gurban Mammadov and his family members Gurban Mammadov and Turan Hagieva was savagely destroyed by state authorities without any legal basis, without a court decision, and their personal belongings were destroyed and looted. Family members were evicted from their apartments with the participation of the police, thus causing serious trauma to 5 children under the age of 10 living in that apartment. All these processes took place with the participation of numerous Azerbaijani police and unknown individuals in civilian clothes. Although it is common in the Republic of Azerbaijan to arrest real political opponents based on lies and slander, for the first time a serious criminal act of vandalism was committed against the private property and family members of a real opposition leader and his family members. This is a clear example of the Azerbaijani government's disrespect for human rights and freedoms, as well as its intolerance of political rivals. Azerbaijan is not openly fulfilling its legal and political obligations as a member of the Council of Europe and is openly violating human rights and freedoms enshrined in the European Convention. As the organizing committee of the People's Movement of Azerbaijan, we ask you to ensure that the Azerbaijani government fulfills its obligations on human rights and freedoms, which, despite repeated demands in various documents of the Council of Europe for many years, systematically violate these rights and freedoms, to impose sanctions, including a ban on the entry into European countries of the President of Azerbaijan and his family members, oligarchs close to the ruling family, ministers, as well as judges known to the European Court for illegal court decisions, and the seizure of their and family members' property and bank accounts. To create a commission of inquiry to identify the source of the material resources used to acquire these properties and in what form they are legalized in Europe. As the organizing committee of the People's Movement of Azerbaijan, we inform you that the family members of Gurban Mammadov, Gurban Mammadov, Turan Hagieva, Elna Mammadov, and their family members should be rescued from Azerbaijan immediately under the auspices of the Council of Europe. Ensure that they are located in one of the European countries of their choice or help them to unite with their parents in the UK.